Hello, my name is Brian, and I'm going to be your instructor for the Intro to HTML course. What is HTML and why is it important? So, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It allows you to display text and other items on a web page. And it is one of the 3 front-end languages. But in this course, we're just going to be discussing HTML. The other 2, CSS and JavaScript, will be discussed in a later video. So I think it'd be easier to show you what HTML looks like. This web page is made of strictly HTML. There is no CSS in it. And by the end of this unit, you should be able to easily make this web page for yourself. So, in another example would be apple.com. So, this is Apple's website, as you all know. This is made out of CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. But when we remove all of the CSS from it, we are left with the pure HTML. So, as you can see, Apple's website is made out of a lot of HTML. There's multiple pages of it. And you can tell that HTML is made out of different tags or text. There are checkboxes, so this would be a navigation bar. There are different links, and there are buttons. So when we go on another web page, we removed all of the JavaScript. So, oh, no, we didn't. So you can see that we can, again, remove all the CSS, and we are left just with images, some nice pictures or icons, some other images that are a little all over the place. But yeah, so by the end of this unit, you should be able to make this web page for yourself. Enjoy some bloopers. Hello, my name is Brian. Am I even recording? Yes, I am. Oh well.